Use the Allen key to loosen the bottom 2 bolts on the yoke. Once they are loose, remove them completely. Now pull the yoke off of the piston rod. To access the discharge valve, remove the piston rod guide bush and O-ring. Then pull and twist the top cylinder with bellow and retainer gently off of the piston rod. Now remove the valve collars by pushing them out of their slots and up and off the piston rod. If necessary, use a screwdriver to help. The valve is now free to be removed from the piston rod. A spare can be found in the spares bag. Place the valve onto the piston rod. Push the valve collars back into their slots. Making sure the valve is still neatly lying onto the piston and not curving up. Push the piston rod back through the top cylinder. Push the piston all the way up to create enough space to place the yoke back on. Place it onto the cylinder. Place the piston rod guide bush and O-ring back onto the piston rod. Place the yoke back onto the piston rod, making sure to match the 2 holes in the piston rod with the 2 holes in the yoke. Place the bolts back onto the yoke, securing it to the piston rod. Make sure the bolt is placed in the correct way. The side used to tighten the bolts with the Allen key should be on the front, the completely flat side of the yoke. Use the Allen key to secure the bolts.